To fix DirectX error with the game, the first step is to switch to NATO. Now, when you launch the game, you can go to loadouts, and over here you can, if it is set to Pax Armata, you can set it to NATO over here. Once you set it to NATO, you can check, it should stop DirectX error. Still you are receiving the error. The next step is to, if you have engineer selected, you can go to loadouts and then select assault and vice versa. Now for this, you can, if engineer is selected over here, you can select assault and then you can check. Now the next step is to go to loadouts and change the main weapon to different one. Change the weapon. Now to change the weapon, if you have selected the main is set to like rifle, assault rifle, maybe you can try SMG, or you can even switch to different weapon and then you can check. This has also worked for many players, so it might work for you. Now the next step is to turn off screen space AO and GI. Now this has also worked, so you can go to settings, and then you can go to graphics, and then go to graphics quality settings, click on edit over here, and then scroll down. Now over here you can see screen space AO and GI. You can turn this off. Now once you turn it off, now you can check. Now still not working. The next step is to try full screen, like borderless mode. Try borderless mode, or you can even switch to window mode. Now for this, again you can go to settings, and then you can go to graphics, go to display, scroll down, and over here you can select borderless mode and then apply the changes, and then you can check. This has worked for many players, so it might work for you. If still not working, you can go to graphics once again, go to display, and you can switch to window mode, apply the changes, and then check. Still not working, set GST render DX12 to 1. The value should be 1. Let me close the game for now. Go to File Explorer, go to Documents over here, find Battlefield 6, open Battlefield 6, and then open the settings, Pro Save Profile, make a right click, open with Notepad, and then over here find DX12, find this GST render DX12 enable. If the value is set to 0, you can set it to 1. Go to File, click on Save, and then relaunch the game and then check. If that does not work, you can rename this complete Battlefield 6 folder. But when you do so, create a backup first, because you will lose all the saved settings and all the save game progress. So you can copy this, you can paste it to the desktop. Once you have a backup created, you can rename this complete Battlefield 6 folder. Once you rename it, now you can launch the game and then check. But this has worked. Setting the GST render to value 1 has worked for many players, so you can just try this and then check. Next step is to, now if you have any kind of beta folder over here, like Battlefield beta, open beta, you can make a right click, delete it, and then relaunch the game. Next step is to try these in launch options. So if you have the game on Steam, you can go to Steam. If you have the game on EA app, you can go to EA app and then select the game. I don't have the game on Steam, I have the game on EA app, so I'll show you with beta version. Go to properties, and in the launch option type in -D3 D11, and then you can launch the game. If that does not work, type in -DX11, launch the game and then check. Still not working, you can try -DX12, launch the game and then check. If not working, remove this. If you have the game on EA app, you can click on manage over here and then go to view properties, and then in the advanced launch option type in -D3 D11, save it, launch the game and then check. Still not working, type in -DX11, save it, launch the game and then check. Still not working, type in -DX12, save it, launch the game and then check. Still not working, remove this, save it, follow the next step. Now the next step is to try debug mode in NVIDIA control panel. So go to desktop, show more option, go to NVIDIA control panel, and in NVIDIA control panel, once it is open, you can go to the help option and then select debug mode. So go to NVIDIA control panel now, manage 3D settings, at the top you will see help option. Go to help and then select debug mode. So make sure debug mode is checked, and then you have to relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to go to system BIOS and change this PCIe option to auto, from auto to Gen 4. Like if it is set to auto, you can set it to Gen 4, apply the changes, restart your computer, and then launch the game. So you can go to system BIOS. First, go to system BIOS. You can go to the advanced option, like in Windows settings, you can go to Windows Update, and then you can go to advanced option, and then you can go to recovery option, and then you will see restart on advanced startup. Click on restart now, and then you can go to troubleshoot option, and then you will see uh, some option to go to BIOS. You can select that, and you can go to BIOS, and then if this PCEI, if you have this option in BIOS, you can do this. If you don't have this option in BIOS, you can skip this. Find this PCEI, and you can, it by default it will be set to auto. You can set it to Zen 4 and then check. If not working, you can revert back to auto. When you change it, you can even try full borderless mode and then check. Next step is to perform clean installation of your graphics card driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. Update your graphic card driver to the latest version. So select your graphic card, your operating system, and then click on find. And then whichever is the latest graphic card driver, the GeForce Game Ready driver, you can just click on download. Click on view and then download, and then run the exe file. Once the download is complete, run the exe file, and then click on yes to allow, then click on OK, click on agree and continue, select custom option over here, then click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, then click on next. After the clean installation is done, restart the computer, and then you can check. Next step is to do not overclock. You can set it to default. Close MSI afterburner. This has also worked for many players. So close MSI afterburner, reward tuner. Disable Steam overlay. If you have the game on Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, and you can turn off the option. Over here you will find overlay option. You can turn it off. In EA app, you can go to settings, and then you can go to application over here, and in-game overlay, you can turn this off and then check, or you can even turn it on if it's already off. All the overlay application like Discord running, go to Discord settings, turn off overlay. NVIDIA app, go to NVIDIA app settings, turn off overlay. If you have undervolted computer, you can set it to default. Remove the undervolt. This has also worked for many players. Last step is to update the BIOS. This has also worked for many players. So if your BIOS is not up to date, you can update it. So go to your system manufacturer websites. Like if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. If you have a Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo. Whichever brand you have, go to your system manufacturer website, select your model number, and then update the BIOS. In case of laptop, make sure battery is more than 10% and the AC adapter is connected when you update the system BIOS. After the BIOS update, log into the computer and then launch the game. One of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the DirectX error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.